In India, aviation turbine fuel used by domestic airlines was increased by 8.56% on Wednesday. The government limited the hike after an initial proposal of 115%, which came due to rising global oil prices amid the ongoing West Asia conflict. Domestic airlines will now pay 1,04,927 rupees per kilolitre, up from 96,638 rupees. Non-scheduled, charter and foreign airlines face the full 114.5% increase, paying 2,07,341 rupees per kilolitre, the first time ATF prices have crossed 2 lakh rupees per kilolitre. Fuel is a major cost for airlines, accounting for around 40% of expenses, especially on long western routes. Commercial LPG cylinders used by hotels and restaurants were also increased by 195.50 rupees per 19 kg cylinder, bringing the price to 2,078.50 rupees due to a 44% rise in Saudi contract prices and supply disruptions through the Strait of Hormuz. Domestic cooking gas rates remain unchanged at 913 rupees for a 14.2 kg cylinder. Premium petrol and diesel prices were also revised. XP100 petrol went up by 11 rupees to 160 rupees per litre, and extra green diesel rose by 1.50 rupees to 92.99 rupees per litre. Regular unbranded petrol and diesel remain at 94.77 rupees and 87.67 rupees per litre in Delhi. The Petroleum Ministry said only 25% of ATF's base price increase was passed on to airlines. Oil companies continues to absorb losses, which are estimated to reach 40,484 crore rupees by the end of May, to protect consumers from the full impact of fuel price hikes.